Opening door number 16. After visiting the cities of lights in the last episode, we see that there is definitely more to this universe than we know. The three Magi's studies of the celestial sky is one part of their extensive study of the divine order in this universe. Today, we're back in one of the most high-frequency places we know, the Rudolf Steiner School in Oz. This is the preferred place for the Magis to hold their lectures as it matches the frequency of their broadcast. In this lecture, we have the honor of witnessing Balthasar sharing from his deep knowledge of spiritual science.
Welcome. Today's lesson is about planets and stars. So, we all know about the big happening. The big happening on the 21st of December. We call it the Bethlehem Star. But what is it? So what has this to do with stars? I will try to explain. The Bethlehem Star will be here the 21st of December. Jupiter and Saturn aligned on the celestial sky, seen from our perspective. So, Jupiter and Saturn, they are planets. They're not stars. So what does it have to do with a star? I will give you one of the explanations. Here we have the sun, our star, Helios. And around the sun revolves the planets. So we have Jupiter, pretty big. Actually, it's not that big. The sun is bigger, but you get the picture. And then we have Saturn. Jupiter uses 12 years approximately to revolve one time around the sun. And Saturn, the ring one, well, he uses around 30. So every time Jupiter returns to the same position in about 12 years, Saturn will have traveled, well, around half, a little less. And then Jupiter can be pink and Saturn can be orange. So next time Jupiter takes one round around the sun, Saturn will have traveled almost all the way back, not quite. And then Jupiter takes another round around the sun, and Saturn will have traveled here. Another round around the sun, Saturn will be here. And the last 12 years that Jupiter uses around, Saturn will be approximately in the same position. And this takes around 60 years. And what can we draw with Saturn now? Maybe you see it already. A star. You're dismissed. Go out, get some fresh air, go out and play.
There is definitely some magic in this universe. What is divine order to you? And how do you play in this universe? Don't forget to play, guys, and make sure you subscribe.